Hello, today we will guide you through how to use CoinMarketCap like a pro. To get started, open your web browser and go to CoinMarketCap. This platform is one of the most widely used resources for tracking cryptocurrency prices, rankings, and market activity. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The site is designed to give you a broad snapshot of the crypto market, so understanding where key information lives will make everything else much easier. On the main page, you'll see the primary cryptocurrency rankings. This is where you can track many of the top performing and most established coins in one place. The list typically includes useful data such as price, market capitalization, trading volume, and recent price changes. If you are new to the platform, this section is a great starting point because it helps you quickly understand which assets are leading the market and how they compare to one another. It's also helpful for spotting broad market trends at a glance. Next, use the search bar to quickly find a specific cryptocurrency, exchange, or market data you want to explore. This is one of the fastest ways to navigate the platform, especially if you already know the asset you're looking for. Instead of scrolling through long lists, you can simply type in the name or ticker symbol and jump directly to the relevant page. This saves time and helps you focus on the information that matters most to you. After that, head to the categories section. This area can be especially useful if you want to look beyond the biggest coins and understand what sectors are gaining attention. Categories help group projects by theme, such as different blockchain use cases or market narratives. Exploring this section can give you a clearer sense of where momentum is building and which parts of the market are attracting interest. Finally, open a specific coin page and analyze its detailed metrics. In this example, we'll use Bitcoin. On the coin page, review the price chart along with the market cap, trading volume, and supply data. The chart helps you visualize price movement over time, while market cap can give you a sense of the asset's overall size relative to others. Volume can indicate how actively it is being traded, and supply metrics can provide additional context about scarcity and circulation. Looking at these figures together can help you make more informed decisions instead of relying on price alone. With these core features, CoinMarketCap becomes much more than a price tracker. It becomes a practical tool for researching the market with more confidence and clarity.